All right, welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to get into a variety of topics, but this first topic we are going to get into Tesla production ramp, Tesla Giga Texas, Giga Austin, Texas. The factory is starting to ramp up with production, so we'll take a look at it. And this is good news for people out there that if you've got a Tesla on order, if you've got a Model Y that you're waiting for delivery, then you should be hopefully expecting some sort of EDD bump or adjustment in the near future. So we're going to get into that plus a variety of topics. But before we get into that, this is where I usually run my intro, but if you're new to the channel, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to call it, but basically just getting the best on Tesla at the best financing rate. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. And today's video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link down below in the description if you want to support the channel, but more on that later. And shout out to my latest Patreon members. We've got Jane, Antic, Tommy. Thank you for joining. Thank you for supporting. If you want to get the best Tesla buying guide, the ultimate Tesla buying guide out there that has links to all the credit unions and banks to get the lowest interest and financing rate, definitely check it out. Patreon link down below in the description. But let us get into this. So shout out to Tesla. They posted this on their Tesla Twitter. Giga Texas achieves production of 5,000 Model Ys a week. And this is good because it seems like right now that the Tesla Model Y is the hottest selling vehicle for Tesla. Every other model has inventory issues, has a lot of inventory, which I'll show you in just a second. But the Tesla Model Y is selling like hotcakes. If we take a look at the inventory chart right here from mattjung.net, you can see that inventory is starting to get to pretty low levels, levels that we have not seen for a while when we were at almost 600 vehicles not too long ago, just even a month ago. But now we're down to 99 vehicles posted to the website. Of course, Matt Jung's inventory chart updates once a day, but you can take a look right here on waitingfortesla.com. There are 74 brand new Tesla vehicles across the country available for sale. And you can see it. There is a handful of them. Some of them have some discounts, but all of them, if you didn't know, all Teslas in inventory have a discount, but which is the older price, not the current price, which is this $250 increase price. They all have an older price of the $250 less, 4990, 53990, and of course 46,990. And on top of that, if you didn't know, all Tesla Model Ys qualify for the 7,500 federal tax credit so that you can get a big, nice refund for credit if you qualify, of course, as an individual when you file for your taxes next year. But definitely shout out to the Tesla team. We definitely need more Tesla Model Ys because if you didn't notice that it seems like Tesla has, or we know this, Tesla has pushed their estimated delivery for any brand new Tesla Model Ys. If you order right now and you don't find an inventory vehicle, which we actually recommend, you will be looking at a June to July delivery. June, of course, is next month, which is the last month of the next quarter, and July is the first month of the quarter after, or the first month of the quarter after that. And so a lot of people have noticed this. A lot of people have seen this on the sites because the estimated delivery dates essentially got pushed across the board. So shout out to Tesla Chan. You can see that for the Model Y, the Model Y Long Range, and the Model Y Performance, they all got pushed for a June to July estimated delivery date. And so, which is really interesting because Performance traditionally never has had a longer delivery date. Usually, when you order a Model Y Performance, because it is a higher revenue vehicle, it's more profit for Tesla. They try and deliver it ASAP to within the same month. But it's really interesting that even that with the Model Y Performance, it is pushed to June or through July. Model Y all-wheel drive, which is a brand new variant essentially, that has been reintroduced, has also been pushed to June or July. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what you're thinking. we're going to jump into the next topic. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down below in the description is a Patreon link where you can support the channel, and there's a variety of benefits, but some of them include actually scheduling a call with me. You can ask me any questions about buying a Tesla, selling a Tesla, or even financing a Tesla. And after joining the Patreon, you get a link to my buying guide, which has links to all the resources I use to get the best possible deal at the best financing rate, including banks and credit unions on that list that all have interest rates lower than Tesla financing, lower than Tesla's 5.59%. So definitely check it out. Link down below the Patreon link. All right. Thanks for jumping.